ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, specifically GPT 3.5, which stands for GPT 3.5 billion parameters. It is trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate human-like responses to user inputs. Training process: ChatGPT is trained in a two-step process, pre-training and fine-tuning. Pre-training: during pre-training, ChatGPT is exposed to a large corpus of publicly available text from the internet. It learns to predict the next word in a sentence using unsupervised learning. The model processes the text data in chunks, and the objective is to maximize the likelihood of the next word given the previous context. This process helps the model learn grammar, facts, reasoning abilities, and some degree of common sense. Fine-tuning: after pre-training, ChatGPT goes through a fine-tuning process using custom datasets created by OpenAI. These datasets consist of demonstrations and comparisons provided by human reviewers. The reviewers follow guidelines provided by OpenAI and review and rate different model-generated responses. The model is fine-tuned to generate more safe and useful responses based on this feedback loop. The iterative feedback process helps the model improve its performance over time. Model architecture: ChatGPT utilizes the Transformer architecture, which is a deep learning model architecture specifically designed for natural language processing tasks. Transformers use self-attention mechanisms to capture relationships between different words in a sentence, allowing the model to consider the context and dependencies of each word. The model consists of multiple layers of self-attention and feed-forward neural networks. The self-attention mechanism allows the model to weigh the importance of each word in the input sequence while generating a response. The feed-forward neural networks process this attended information to produce the final output. Capabilities and limitations: ChatGPT can perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including text completion, question answering, language translation, summarization, and more. It can generate coherent and contextually relevant responses to user queries, making it well-suited for conversational interactions. However, ChatGPT has some limitations. It can sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical answers, especially when asked ambiguous or factually incorrect questions. It also tends to be sensitive to slight changes in input phrasing and may give different responses for slightly altered questions. ChatGPT can generate responses that may appear coherent but are factually incorrect or biased. Additionally, it may overuse certain phrases or exhibit a lack of nuanced understanding in some cases. OpenAI takes measures to mitigate these limitations, including the fine-tuning process, human review, and providing safety mitigations to avoid generating harmful or inappropriate content. Applications: ChatGPT has various applications in industries such as customer service, content creation, language translation, tutoring, and more. It can provide interactive and engaging experiences for users, automate certain tasks, and assist with information retrieval and knowledge dissemination. OpenAI encourages developers to use ChatGPT responsibly and to consider its limitations while integrating it into their applications.